Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Rinky here. I am coming up with another festive tutorial, that is tea light rangoli set with handmade flowers in urban fusion look. Before we start the tutorial, please make sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to notified every time. So let's start. These are round shape MDF pieces. Bigger is 5 inches and smaller one is 3 inches. It's a jute rope. Apply glue and make spiral-like structure all over the base. In all 5 pieces, you have to repeat the same procedure. If you don't have the MDF base, you can take the cardboard too. All the pieces get ready. Now for the flower making, I have taken a Fomarian sheet and a die cut machine. If you don't have the die cut machine, you can use the ready-made flowers too. I have taken a bigger size one flower and medium and smaller size two. In this way I have cut it down all my leaves and flowers. Now to emboss it, we need a iron embossing pad and embossing tool. Now place the flower on hot iron. Heat set flower and embossed it immediately in semi-hot condition. Otherwise your flower won't get embossed if it cools down. In the same procedure you have to complete all the flowers. If you want more updates regarding craft, do follow us on Facebook and Instagram too. Do check out the links in the description box. Now we will arrange the flowers. Take bigger flower. Place the medium flower onto it in alternate petals and then small flower alternatively. Similarly, you have to complete all the flowers. Now to attach the pollens, these are the threaded pollens. We will attach it in a bunch with the help of normal thread. Tie the knot properly. We will attach it in the center of the flower. Now we will arrange the tea light set. It's a metal tea holder. Arrange it with the help of glue gun. For the arrangement, I have taken a green grass and ready flowers too. Arrange the flowers and leaves as shown. I have made these tea lights in a round shape. You can change the shape also of your choice. I have added some embellishment pearls also to add the beauty. Decoration part is totally your choice. What you want to arrange. These are ready-made paper roses. It's a perfect home decor for your upcoming Diwali season. It's a type of ready-made rangoli. Now all the pieces are ready. By adding candles, it's ready to jazz up your homes. I hope you like the tutorial and stay tuned with us for more and more crafty tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.